Hey, what's happening, Sneaker Heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, you already know. Before we get this video started, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir.
On this
Yes,
video,
sir.
we got something a little bit different. We don't normally do this, but we're trying to close out the year 2023, the year of the MJ, and go ahead and start us off with the year of the Kobe.
Hey, so the year of the code, that acronym stands for K stands for knowledge, offers, breathtaking excellence. That's the year of
Yes,
Kobe,
sir.
right? 2024. We just wanted to do a quick video with you guys to show our appreciation to you guys. This channel here came about. It was a channel for cooking. Went ahead and went in a different direction. Both my brother and I are sneakerheads. Right. Drop us a comment down below if you are a sneakerhead. But we decided to, shift our channel and go into that direction of sneakers, right? We love them. But the only way this channel will grow is feedback from you guys. If there's stuff out there that you like for us not to do, or if there's stuff out there that you like for us to do, hey, just drop us a comment down below, because this channel here is not for us. This channel is for you guys. And the only way this channel go work is us providing you content that you want, right? So like we mentioned before, drop us a comment down below. But the year of Kobe is knowledge offers breathtaking excellence, right? And it's all
Yes,
about
sir.
that, If you ever look at our outro, it's when you're blessed, hey, bless others. And that's something that we're about. Earlier through the year, check out that video right there. We gave away a shoes because we truly
Yes,
believe
sir.
when you bless others. We're all about not just giving away shoes to random people. We like to give away, sneakers to those that do support us,
Yes,
and last year it was one shoe, and our projection is do two shoes this year, right? Because we truly
yes,
believe
sir.
in that. There's no channel out there right there doing that. And we're a small channel compared to those that's out there. So, hey, drop us a comment down below if it's something that you want us to really focus in on, and if it's some stuff that you want us to get rid of. But we're here for you, right?
Yes, sir. And just I want to piggyback on what my brother said. For the last 2 years in a row, I have gotten with local consignment shops in our area, and we was able to do back to school giveaways. So we was able to give away like 10 people school supplies, and some of the top prizes was like number 3, they got a backpack. I think the number 1, the kid got a free pair of Jordans. So we didn't share that on the channel, but I personally did that in my neighborhood, and my bro, he's always giving back. He's worked with other people in the past, and can you tell him a little bit about the football collaborations and stuff that you were doing in your city to give back there in Indy?
Yeah, so I currently live in Indy, and I'm all about the youth, and it starts there. And one thing that I do push is a reading initiative here. It's all about expanding that imagination, and I volunteer for the CLD Center of Leadership Development, which is 4th through 6th grade, and it basically just it's a self-discovery class that runs from like 6 to 8 weeks, right? And this program here is geared towards expanding their imagination. This is something that I do yearly. I also, at one time, I was giving back my time with the youth football. And it's something that I just enjoy doing, because when I was growing up, it was something that I was accustomed to seeing, that it would always be a gentleman out there that was giving back. And I tend to, when I was blessed, hey, I had to bless others. So it's just something that I do in India. I would love to expand that. Hey, if any of our fans out there at Indy, hey, drop us a comment down below, and hey, if we can link up and make a difference, let's do that together, right? It takes a village to raise a family. And I also believe it takes a village to move what we have forward together. So I'm all about that.
Yes, sir. And we just like to share with y'all, and we want to thank y'all again for everything that y'all have done to support us. But in the last year, we had 377,000 views for our videos. And we do try to do a video or a short every day. So if that's not even worth a like, a thumbs up, because we're not getting paid a lot of money from YouTube. So we'd appreciate it. That's like a penny. Every time you hit that button, giving us a little penny. And those pennies add up. Because if you can't count pennies,
you can't count millions.
there you go, my brother.
Yes,
and so
sir.
over the year, we did have 200 new subscribers. So we want to thank y'all for jumping on board. Again, we are still trying to grow this young channel. We're currently at 24,000. We like to hit 30,000. That's our goal for next year, the year 2025. So if y'all can help us get there by letting everybody else know out there, hey, they like sneakers and they like something to watch every day. Hey, join us, Force Your Family, Sneakerhead Bros. We got your back. We got you covered. Anything else we're missing, my brother?
No, sir. Hey, and if y'all continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.